Hey, have you ever just had one of those weeks, one of those months, maybe your year? Oh my goodness. That's how I feel. So, if you're feeling like my son is feeling right now, maybe you and we need to take
the proper reset.
The first part of the proper reset is to relax. I'm still focused on what just happened, my work. My mind is going a mile a minute. But in order to relax, you got to take your mind away. Take a mental break. Do I look relaxed? No. Let's switch that up. Welcome to Relaxation Mode. Relaxing is taking your mind away. You're putting on pause. All things that you were doing that were moving forward. Understand that that is still going to be there when you come back to it. And remember, pause is just a temporary state. It's impossible to truly be the most productive self if you are not relaxed. We are not machines. And even machines, they need to rest in order to be productive. God created us to be so powerful and creative, but even Him, who created us, said, for 6 days I'm going to work, and on that 7th day, I'm going to rest. This is great for your skin. All your cuticles. He had that time where no work is to be done. I'm not going to be successful if I relax. No. If you do a temporary pause, then you will be even more successful than if you keep on going and going and going and going and going and going and going, because you'll stop. Come on now. Relaxation is just fun. Do something you love. Listen to music, play video games, spend quality time with family. Go ahead, call up some friends or family that you haven't in a bit. Even travel. What you could do is just lay down for a couple of hours. You could also eat, watch movies. There are planting or arts and crafts that you can do. These are just 10 different things. That's called self-care. If you are not caring for yourself, you won't have anything to pour back into others. So that relaxation is for you to pour into yourself, to build yourself up, focus on your hobby, gain that joy, that energy, that life that you already have inside of you. Because if you don't have anything else to give, there's nothing. You're going to be depleted. Relaxation is not just where you move to a different spot. You could be moving to a different spot and still be focused up in our mind. If we go ahead and we forage and we plow the land, and if we sow seeds and we harvest for 6 years, and then on the 7th, just let it rest, let it be, then that land is still going to be fertile. But if you keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing it and pushing it, if you keep pushing yourself too much, then you will burn out. Do you want to burn out? I don't think you do. But in order to be truly successful, just listen to our Father. He said you need that 1 day of rest. So take it. So right now, let's pause. I'll show you where I go. You see how I am? Relaxation mode! But what does relax mean? Got it right here. Vocab for today. Lax means to be carefree, Not sufficiently strict or severe, not stretched or tense. Do I look lax right now? Yes, this is lax, not lacrosse, lax. But then, hold on, we got that little prefix. R-E is re. Repeat after me. Relax. Relax. So I need you to be carefree once more. I need you to be not sufficiently strict or severe anew. I need for you to not be stressed or tense. Stretched or tense. Again, when you achieve that, you are at that relaxation mode. Well, once I've been out of this relaxation mode, what's the benefits? You're like, yeah, I know how to do that. I've done that a lot. What's the benefits? Well, bam, your digestion is going to improve. Your immune system improves. Your inner sanctum, your state of being, your mood is chipper, lively, energized. Four. I said three, but it's four. You, yourself, your mind state is increased. Your neurons are connecting at a faster pace after it's had a pause. 5. Your blood pressure, all right, lowers. 6. If you're at a breathing, you have a high breathing rate, that high breathing rate go down. I need for you to understand it's only best, only better, only beneficial if you temporarily pause. If you take that relax mode seriously, my friend, you overall will be more productive in whatever you do. Come on now. Who doesn't want to be productive in whatever they put their hands to? I know he wants you to be the most successful that you can be. Stop standing in your way. My essential question for today, how does your body feel after you've taken that mental break? Answer that question down below in the comments. Letting you know I love you. He loves you. Love yourself. Speak life and bear fruit. I'm going to go and relax.